Hello folks. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of technology. Today, we delve into a high-stakes clash between big tech and governments over the future of end-to-end encryption. Let's dive in. Meta's CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, is at the forefront of a brewing collision with the UK government. He's determined to integrate super-secure messaging into all his apps, even as a new law threatens to outlaw such technology. Governments worldwide are watching this showdown closely, waiting to see who will yield first. The heart of this tech tussle lies in a straightforward question. Should tech companies be able to read people's messages? The conflict between Silicon Valley and several governments centers around apps like WhatsApp, iMessage, Android Messages, and Signal, which use end-to-end encryption, ensuring only the sender and receiver have access to the content. Over the past decade, these apps have become increasingly popular, with billions of users worldwide relying on their secure communication. However, 4 years ago, when Zuckerberg announced plans to make Messenger and Instagram end-to-end encrypted, the tension escalated. Governments and law enforcement agencies in multiple countries have criticized the technology, raising concerns about challenges in accessing crucial evidence and protecting children from online grooming. The UK's Online Safety Bill, a landmark legislation, aims to enforce technical backdoors to scan private messages for child sexual abuse. A YouGov survey commissioned by the National Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Children, NSPCC, reflects public support for this measure. However, 68 prominent security and privacy researchers argue that the Online Safety Bill would effectively break end-to-end encryption, compromising user privacy and setting a dangerous global precedent. WhatsApp and Signal have taken a strong stand, stating they'd rather lead the UK than compromise encryption security. And to add more fuel to the fire, Elon Musk announced his intention to incorporate end-to-end encryption into Twitter messages. Switching to end-to-end encryption is no easy task, but tech giants view it as crucial in rebuilding trust after data scandals. However, critics argue it hinders online safety measures and creates potential for global surveillance. And that's all for today's Tech Insights. The battle between privacy and safety rages on, with big tech and governments locked in a fierce debate over end-to-end encryption. Join us next time for more exciting tech news. Until then, stay secure and stay curious.